Hey, we all have read about how a computer works. It takes input, processes them, and greets us with the output. But who do you think processes the inputs that you give to this remote? And it outputs by switching the color of the LED. Or how do you think a oven knows the exact timing it has to cook a dish for? Or what makes an electric iron turn off automatically when the set temperature is reached? All these devices don't have an inbuilt computer in them, right? Well, let me break the suspense and tell you, yes, they do consist of a computer. But not the regular computer that we use for our day-to-day tasks, but a small computer that is specialized and dedicated for a single task only in an appliance. And today, we'll be discussing about that only. So, hey guys, I hope you're doing fine and all your works are going smooth. Today we'll be learning about the brain of almost all the electronic devices out there. So without any further delay, let's start Let me break the suspense again. The small computer that I am talking about is called a microcontroller. A microcontroller is basically an integrated circuit consisting of a processor, a small amount of memory, and some input-output peripherals. And as I mentioned, microcontrollers are also computers. So they also work on the same principle of taking input, processing them, and spitting out the output. But unlike general-purpose computers that we all use for our day-to-day tasks, microcontrollers are special-purpose computers designed and programmed to be dedicated towards a specific task only in an appliance. For example, in your electric iron, there must be a microcontroller that takes the temperature value from the sensor and the set temperature value from the knob that you move. And after comparing the two values, it switches the conductor of the iron on or off, resulting in the proper functioning of the iron. And you don't end up burning your clothes. Before proceeding any further, let me change my t-shirt. Actually, I am wearing it from 3 days now. Okay, it looks much better. A microcontroller generally has a set of instructions stored in its memory unit, which enables it to do all the decision making. And it also consists of a small amount of RAM which enables it to store values and variables in them. A basic microcontroller may have 1 kilobytes of ROM and 20 bytes of RAM. Yeah, I know that it isn't even sufficient to run MS Word. MS Word perhaps requires 30 megabytes of RAM and a processor that can run millions of instructions per second. But then, you don't require MS Word to control a microwave oven either. Hence, microcontroller serves the job pretty well. Thus, we may conclude that microcontrollers are small computers specialized in a task. Microcontrollers are not very much power hungry. That means it can run for days in a single battery only. They are cheap and are easily available too. The ability to store codes in them and connecting different sensors and modules to their input-output peripherals makes them very versatile in nature. And that is why they are being used in so many devices out there. So, according to me, this is enough for you to know about microcontrollers at a basic level. In the next episodes, we will be talking about their various architectures like RISC, CISC, and various other classifications too. Till then, stay safe at your home, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it to almost everyone you know and as much as you can. This motivates me a lot.